Okay, I'm back. So now we're going to set up the TichWatch E3 for the very first time. And the device of choice will have to be my Google Pixel 6 Pro because it's running regular stock Android. And as of now, there is no watch out for this device as of now. So first thing you would want to do is go to your Google Play Store. And once you're in there, you want to find the wearOS app. So as you can see here, I already have it here. I'm going to click on it. And then you want to hit install, which this is the wearOS by Google SmartWatch. So now I'm just going to hit install. And once I install it, then we'll go over and try to set it up step by step. So now that it is currently installed, I'm going to come here, make sure my Bluetooth is turned on. Then I'm going to hit open. Then it wants you to allow wearOS by Google to send you notifications. I'm going to hit allow. And then we're going to hit next. And then it says you're all set. So now it wants to add my watch to my phone. So I'm going to hit allow. Get notifications at a glance. We want that. So I'm going to hit that, turn on, allow. And once you allow everything, you want to click on your watch. Go to dismiss. I'm going to go into my settings because I want to make sure that this is really connected. So there is the TichWatch device details. It says connected for phone calls and sharing. So now once you're in there, you want to go back to the app, and I'm just going to go over some of the features on the app that you can do with the watch. So once you're in there, it'll show you your TichWatch. So it says TichWatch E3 because that's the watch I currently have at the moment. Up here at the top, it'll show you your battery percent. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but it'll just show you your battery percent of your watch. Mine is currently at 40%. I need to actually charge it. I just wanted to open it up and get it set up for you on camera. Then down here you get your different watch faces. If you hit more, these are currently all the watch faces you get at the moment. I don't know if you can download more. I'll have to dig deeper into that and come back with another video about that. But there are some watch faces already preset on the device. Then if you go down, scroll down even further, you get your tiles. So these are the different kind of tiles you can have. That is a nice look. Then you can get your notifications. Tells you about your notifications. Then you get your, you can have it to where it'll show you about your events, your agenda. You get your Google Assistant. If you want to set that up, you can set that up. I'm currently not going to set that up at the moment, but you can do that if you would like to. And then you also get advanced. So this is advanced. Your advanced settings. And then you want to go into your accounts. And you want to click what account you want your watch to link to. So I'm going to click the account that I always use. And then it says copy to your watch. So now we're going to hit copy. And it should be copying everything on there to my watch. Let me type in my password. I'll be right back. Now it's signing everything in to my watch. As you can see there. Signing everything into my watch. So once that's all set up, then you get your watch battery. This tells you about your watch battery. You get your watch storage. As you can see here, to tell you about your watch storage. And you would also get your watch apps and data usage. At the moment, I don't currently have any apps on my watch, but we can go try to download some. So now I'm going to put this down, the Pixel 6 Pro down for now. And now we're going to focus on picking up the watch and going into some of the things in the watch. So this is what the watch looks like once you get it all set up. Okay, so if you slide down here, you do get your status notification bar, if that's what you want to call it. Then you slide up, then you can slide over. You get Google Assistant. If you want to set that up, you can set that up. I'm currently not going to set that up at the moment. Then if you slide to the left, no, if you slide to the right, you get all your little tiles, and you can add more tiles if you want to. And that's about your heart rate. Then if you push this button up here, it takes you back. You push it again, it'll take you into your apps, some of your apps on your smartwatch. And like I said, it has the Google Play Store, so you have access to downloading some more apps on your device if you would like to. It'll download the apps you have from your phone and connect them to the apps you have on your smartwatch, connected to the apps you want on your smartwatch. So I can install Google Messages, which that is good to have because this is a smartwatch and you want to be able to get all of your notifications and so on and so on. And I'll probably go, when the video is over, I'll probably go back through here and download every single app, so that way I can come back with a more in-depth video about the apps on the watch and how they run. But right now, so it's installing Messages. Okay, so now my Messages app is installed on my smartwatch. So now I can get text and notifications from my watch from my phone on my watch. Let's get it in frame there. So I'm gonna go back to Messages, so I can start a chat here if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that at the moment. But I was just showing you what it would look like. So pretty much this is what your text messages would look like. Let's get it in view. This is what your text messages would look like. I might have my brightness, let me change my brightness. It might be up a little too high. Let's take it down some. Okay, so now let's go back to my text messages. And this is what your text messaging app will look like on your smartwatch, on your TichWatch E3. You get Do Not Disturb. There is a system update, but my battery is too low to update it, so I'm going to charge the watch and then do the system update a little later. I just wanted to get on here and show you. So let's go back and download some more apps real quick before I go. So now, so basically it's just pulling all the apps that I currently have on my smartphone to my smartwatch, to my watch. And then you can also log into your Mobvoi account. It's connecting on my phone, so you can also sign into your Mobvoi account, but I'll probably do that a little bit later. But that's what that would look like. You would need to log into that, I think, to have even more access to different apps. But this was just a quick little setup and walkthrough of some of the settings of the TichWatch E3. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.